What's going on, guys? It's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. And my name is Rafi Yakub right here. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video, guys, I'm going to show you guys top 3 websites that you guys can use to guess most trending icons all for free. If you are looking for GIF icon, that is animated icon, or you are looking for any type of file format icon all for free, all you have to do is to make sure you watch this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload free online resource like this, you get notified and you watch the video. With that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see some of the top 3 websites that you guys can use to get free unlimited icon in any type of file format of your choice. So let's get started. So the very first one I have for you guys right here is LordIcon.com. LordIcon.com over thousands of free animated icons, as the name as you can see right here, access over 8,000 plus animated icons. Okay, now you can easily scroll down and then see some of the preview of the icon. So by the time you hover your mouse into each of the icon, you're going to see is going to animate. So just like what you see right here, so you can see this one right here, you can see it's animated, and check out this one also. So all these are animated icon. How the best way you can use this site is that immediately you launch into the site, you can make a free account with them if you like. If you don't like to make a free account with them, you still can use this site without any stress. All you have to do is to explore to the icons, or just tap on icon from the home tab right here. So when you click on icon, you're going to see a variety of available icons on this site, both present and the previous icons that you guys can download all for free. So let's take a look. So right here, guys, so you can see there are a lot icon right here. Now let's say for instance you want to download any of this type of icon. So these are set icon in different size and different quantity. So let's for instance you want to download this. All you have to do is to tap on the icon segment. So when you tap on the icon segment, it takes you to another page whereby you to see the full detail of the particular icons. Then it lands you to another page like this. So at this point, this is where you now define the type of icon you are looking for. You can see arrow icon is just 11, alert icon 13, communication icon, they are just in different number as you see it. So let's for instance you just need a free set of the icon. All you have to do is to make sure you select free icons. So when you select free icons, it's going to refine and show you the available free icon. So this is one icon in animated or free, and this is alarm icon. So if you are interested to download any of the icon right here, all you have to do is to click on the icon. So when you click on the icon, it's open up right here, so you can see. So you can download in different file formats. You can copy the HTML code, you can download the LOTIT, and you can download the GIF. You can click here and see more as far as this is concerned. You can check out the preview of the icon from the home tab right here. So you see it is an animated icon, and also you can add to collection in case you want to download in a pack. Okay, so this is what I have for you guys as far as this particular site is concerned. So let's take a look at another one whereby you guys can use to get free icon for your design project. So the next one I have for you guys right here is iconfinder.com. iconfinder.com also offer a great thousand of a great icon for you guys that you can use all for free for your design project. So when you open up the site, all you have to do is to navigate to the home tab right here, click on icons. So when you click on icons, you're going to see a variety of icons. They have millions of icons on this particular platform that you guys can use all for free. So ranging from web icon, home icon, etc. So you can see they have many as the case it is. So you can select on any type of icon. Let's for instance you want to download this set of icon. So just click on the icon. So for this type of icon, they have about 1,000 plus icon set on this particular type of icon. So when you choose on the icon, it's open up in a new page right here. So it's going to be a mixed up of free icon and a premium icon. So for you to do, you have to come here and define the free icon. Just select free icons and make sure all styles and all license is selected, then they are going to refine you and present you with only free icons that you guys can download all for free. So you can see all this one right here are all free. So let's, for instance, you want to download this location icon, just click on it. So when you click on it, it's open up in a new page, and then you are good to go to download in different resolution size. You can click on here to see more size of the icon. You can download PNG file, you can download SVG and other file format of your choice. Once you are able to detect the file format, to define the file format of your choice, you can easily click on download, and then you are good to go. So this is what I have for you guys as far as iconfinder.com. So let's take a look at the very last one I have for you guys as far as top 3 websites for you guys to get free animated or PNG or any type of file format icon that you guys might use for your next design. So the very last one I have for you guys here is Flaticom.com. This is a very popular icon site that has about 8.7 million vector icons and sticker stuff like that. So you can get SVG, EPS, PSD, and CSS format. On this site, there are premium and there are also a free icons. Everything depends on your budget and exactly what you are looking for. So you can easily scroll down and see more icons, more stickers, top rated and latest icons on this particular site also. So you can scroll down and see more and more. You can make use of search bar right here and type in whatever icon you are looking for, or you click on this icon, drop down icon here, and choose any type of icon. So if you are looking for animated icons, as the case may be, all you have to do, select animated icon. So when you select animated icon, and it's going to bring them out. So right here, you guys can see these are all animated icons. So if you are interested to download any of these animated icons, you can easily select any one of your choice, and then download the file format of your choice. So guys, this is what I have for you guys as far as getting free unlimited animated icons or whatever file format of icon you might have been looking for, all for free website. So this is what I have for you guys. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to comment if you have any question for me. And if you want to check out more tutorial about free stuff, all you have to do is to make sure you visit my channel, Exact Graphics and Multimedia, right here. So make sure you visit my channel, okay, Exact Graphics and Multimedia. Then when you visit my channel, remember to navigate to playlist right here. So you click on playlist. So from playlist, you can easily scroll and see some free resource content have made in the past. Then from there, you'll be able to see more free resource as far as this channel is concerned. So right here, we have about 21 video under the free resource. So all you have to do is to click on the playlist and start watching. I hope you guys love this content. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.